Want to learn more about children? What makes them tick? How do children learn? What do you know about your own development? If you've ever wondered about any of these questions, then the Child Development class is for you.
Parenting is a trial and error sort of thing, and so I always tell kids that when they take child development, that they're actually a step ahead, because they usually don't have that instruction after high school unless they go into a major where that's a requirement. So if they take it in high school, they're really a step ahead for when after they get married, they actually know something about child development and parenting.
We talk about first aid and child safety. We do an activity called Look-alike Poisons, which we compare common household things and how they look like things that are poisonous, even though they're safe. So they get an idea of what things to be concerned with household safety, and we go through the whole preparing the house for the child.
In this class, you will gain an understanding of child and adolescent development in terms of intellectual, physical, social, and psychological development. You will also investigate the nature versus nurture perspectives of development and challenges to the development. This class is for anyone who plans on working with or having children in the future.